your screens live visuals. Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the Sansad Bhavan. He's of course meeting NDA leaders. We just reflected those live visuals for all of you. If you can get that back on our screens once again. Of course, we're expecting a very power-packed parliament session today itself. But Prime Minister Modi has been meeting with the NDA leaders today morning. The meeting commenced at around 9:30 a.m. It is his very first address to the NDA leaders of the lower house of the parliament, his very first address to the NDA leaders during the 18th Lok Sabha. He just met with them, and we'd of course earlier shown you all visuals of him arriving itself right there. This is the time when he'd arrived for the meeting. He's of course been felicitated as well by several senior leaders right there. H.D. Kumaraswamy, you can see felicitating Prime Minister Narendra Modi. You can also in fact spot J.P. Nadda, Praful Patel. In fact, you can also spot on your screens Rajnath Singh, Defence Minister. Chirag Paswan is also there for the meeting. We'd also earlier seen Nitin Gadkari. You can also spot him towards the left side as well in the back. Union Home Minister Amit Shah is also present for this very crucial NDA party leaders meeting. Prime Minister Modi has been felicitated, of course. We are to view the outcomes of this meeting itself, but a power-packed day in the parliament today. Remember, viewers, a slugfest has been persisting since Rahul Gandhi's very first speech as a leader of opposition yesterday in the parliament. We are expecting the Prime Minister to give a reply very, very soon. Right there, visuals on your screen. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, of course, also meeting with Prime Minister Modi. He's also present over there. Several other union ministers are also there. We of course can see J.P. Nadda present. In fact, earlier Gajendra Shekhawat, Prahlad Joshi, Ramdas Athawale, and of course you can see on your screens Rajnath Singh, Nitin Gadkari also present over there. Several other key NDA leaders are also there. H.D. Kumaraswamy, Praful Patel. We also have Chirag Paswan, who's met with the Prime Minister. On your screens, you can spot the PM being felicitated by H.D. Kumaraswamy of the JDS, a key ally of the Bharatiya Janata Party in Karnataka at the moment. We're of course in fact expecting the Prime Minister to address all of the NDA leaders who have been gathered over there. We'd seen earlier Manohar Lal Khattar had also arrived for this meeting. Several other key NDA leaders, whether it's Giriraj Singh, Milind Deora, Kangana Ranaut, Jayant Chaudhary, they're also present in the meeting today itself. This is being held in the Sansad Bhavan. Of course, we've been seeing a power-packed parliament this time around. A lot of debate, discussion has been taken place in the lower house of the parliament as well as the upper house yesterday itself. The leaders of opposition in both the houses, whether Rahul Gandhi in the Lok Sabha or Mallikarjun Kharge in the Rajya Sabha, they've spoken in depth about the NEET issue. They've also spoken about the Agniveer issue. We're expecting the Prime Minister to address the Lok Sabha today. We're expecting a reply from the Prime Minister today in the Lok Sabha, and of course we're keeping our eyes peeled for what he is going to be saying. But before that, live visuals on your screens, viewers. Prime Minister Modi's meeting with the NDA leaders has begun. He's being felicitated by several senior NDA leaders, including H.D. Kumaraswamy. My colleague Mehendi Garg with us on the broadcast. Mehendi, of course, we were going in detail as to who exactly is present. We discussed this in detail. Several other key NDA leaders being present. H.D. Kumaraswamy felicitating the Prime Minister. PM Modi is going to be addressing the NDA leaders very soon. Over to you.
Well, yes, Priya, the important NDA parliamentary meet has been started because the Prime Minister has reached with the, all the BJP leaders, all the senior leaders and the newly elected MPs are there in this meeting who have joined the Prime Minister Narendra Modi because, before addressing the session, PM has arranged this meeting and it has been told by the sources that important, key points can be discussed in this meeting because it's a very crucial meeting as the PM will address the session for the very first time in his third term. And also, as we saw that how the politics and the row was seen between the opposition and the BJP yesterday over the topic of Hinduism, the NEET topic, the Agniveer schemes, and other topics also are very much relevant in the yesterday's session. So this meet is also important as we are seeing the visuals also that the Prime Minister is being felicitated by this BJP senior leaders, and the alliance partner leaders are also there in this meeting. So yes, ahead of Prime Minister Modi's address in the session, this is a very important meeting that is being held in the parliament premises also, along with all the BJP and the senior leaders.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.